Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll discuss Charter Act 1793. Here are the few important points of this act. So let's start. Under this act, extended or overriding power was extended, right, for Governor General. Simply you can say in 1786 Act, power was given to Governor General to take decision or to override the decision of Governor General's Council in special cases, right? In special cases. So this sort of overriding power was extended under this act to Cornwallis and also future coming Governor Generals of Bengal. Second point, this act gave Governor General more powers and control over governments of Bombay and Madras. You see, Bombay government and Madras government, or simply you can say Bombay and Madras presidencies, were controlled by Governor General of Bengal with more power and control given under this act. This is the thing you have to remember. That means Bombay and Madras presidencies are subordinate to this Bengal presidency, right? Suppose Bengal is here, Bengal presidency, and this Madras and Bombay, they are subordinate to Bengal, right? Now we'll talk about this point. It extended trade monopoly of East India Company for 20 years. You see, monopoly of East India Company was extended under this 1793 Charter Act for 20 years. Just imagine. Now we'll talk about this point. Commander-in-Chief does not necessarily to be member of Governor General Councils. If somebody is not member of Governor General's Council, he can be Commander-in-Chief. This is the point. It was under 1793 Charter Act. The final point, members of Board of Control are to be paid out of Indian revenues. Try to understand. This Board of Control was created in 1784 Pitt's India Act, right? Pitt's India Act, William Pitt, who was British Prime Minister, Pitt's India Act. So this board was created, and previously, before this act, the members of Board of Control were paid by East India Company. However, under this Charter Act 1793, now members will be paid from Indian revenues. These are the important points of Charter Act 1793. I hope you got this point. Questions may be asked that in which of the following act monopoly of East India Company was extended for 20 years? So this Charter Act 1793. Question may be asked that under which act members of Board of Control were paid from Indian revenues? Simply Charter Act 1793. So these are the things you have to just mug up for exam point of view. I think it's clear. Wish you happy learning. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy.